Episode 4 High GC News. Mima Ubibia Akwawa Hadia latest and hot news. Angwa Aramede Bramo. Anuti so you subscribe to channel dia Bomodia say ube subscribe. Dobia say ube click the subscribe button. Now a barely notification. When it's a video for free be upload. When the first person I want sa ebeka a video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo for na when you be here. Na wohu ensemo ekoso Ghana memo afi yenhwe ye ensemo abeto yepno so Captain Smart Onia TV show morning host what the ensemo to ja watch say Monday twemu na soja fobi 1% ka wane yeku na no na Captain Adda ensembere watch say otchere what the nyina to ja any recollection na wane ball percent ka NDC for no botwi na chese wane kogu honum dia na chese soja for ebetutu etu watch say the night before no chese wane deploy over 1,000 soldiers aka yes adwumade we ka ebekoso na Captain Adda ensembere so na what to be mane EC boss di Mensa watch say ma we na kopese oye ni basabasa ye AC Ghana memo ha yakohwe video a Captain Eda Sansebo nyinari yehwe video no yehwe Captain
Monday ye tell me some people were planning a coup d'etat.
Omo soldier for
okay what him say then na omo the shares on me kwakoye your friend is saying recoalition no you were there when I placed the call.
Yeah, sure.
Someone won't call. What did the person omo here? I am telling you today. The person omo here say na NDC supporters in Tiase. So I kept saying, some would see me here, I can say, oh, woman negotiate. Woman negotiate.
Yeah.
Woman negotiate. Because the information I'm picking from Kumasi, any Bawumia Campaign, it was not good. Me no kwa. What is a me can sama upa fa upa jai. Eti one plan in and say NDC supporters them must say up our various recoalition centers now. One by dispatching military officers, no more shooting through the crowd. Isi weni abai wenya ya Kweku si meja togana bibia ye basa no manya say no metimi atena so. Coup in Ghana obwa esi if you try we'll kill all of you. You found some soldier for if you try any coup d'etat before 7 January and after 7 January, we'll kill all of you. Because anybody, I'm a gas in Ashisha. We'll kill you and your girlfriends. I'm telling you, I swear, on the last drop of my blood. We'll kill all of you. So what's the reaction of Suberia or Mine Sika? Oh, when you die, able to if you are NPP never dreamt of what happened on the 7th of December. Me catch you. NPP knew someone when he by any and so much lose that. If you say January, February, March 2024, Mahama was leading. April, May, June, Bawumia overtake Mahama kicked webby. So they thought they could capitalize on that. But not yet. Any the echo. But Uko ye online na uhu ye. Professor Stephen Adorye.
Yeah, Stephen Adorye, sure.
Or say, one Mahama Bawumia na so mbeye oral no.
NDC sympathizers.
Woman na obe ye competent.
Yes.
Then how they some ye NDC sympathizers? How? Ono ye NPP sympathizer na do bonding. Okoji yare.
No, you also call Ghana National Development Authority.
It's your person say.
Commission.
The MPP sympathizing, you know, hinder the competence ana.
So call your mind juma.
And to me say okọ ho na na oye na nado sympathizer no. Okọ ye no.
Oh, ebia.
Oh, you see, anyway, eti we are den politician ba obefa di onim no ene da ye adwuma. But say ye fa de ye nim wo de wo say koye adwuma we ya. Emma nipa no fa won nsansi fom ena kro bia Asante Bediatuo 2 for say Tróuble bio e ka kire na po say Emma Bawumia onu ne ho
sure
ba me kan bibia say Bawumia wanu ne ho poto so fa na po
oh sir
otchere
how
we no ko ka Mahama ni lomute ni
Mahama
ni
na do na
ezu we adum che eyezu eza
adum che so onye o
wonim say yes share Ghana politics as in the Fourth Republic party only party contest be anyone running mate a promote
the opposition
atche NAPO
and they true
NAPO said eyezu eza 79 times
NDC focus on may plug their channel. So now no say
oh yes 17 okay eyezu eza 79 times NAPO no Obojo Mahama 28 times. Oh, promote John Mahama. Yes, say okay, somebody you John Mahama. So what they no 101. But me, I still believe say NAPO and this thing. Onye MPP need da.
Oh, MPP.
NAPO intentionally decided to run down the MPP's campaign.
How?
Oh,
no, Aremeyaw.
Oh no, share on goes.
Goes.
What you say NAPO and this thing? Me na me catch it.
NAPO.
Oh, jai.
Ufia pejefi.
Ke wo jai.
No ofane
Ke wo men fa wo fa se no man e be analysis no my deep oh.
But obi edem say no ofane.
NAPO me say inside his heart. Onye MPP ni. Me na me catch it.
Ani pokuta why energy minister, why education minister. And
Kofi Asante. Jerry John Rawlings time no fi Western region no ye MP obey energy commission
so I don't know that
one would yeah
but we
MP ye see na uja for resigning or resigning we ya no yeah energy committee chair or parliament or resigning energy Akufo Addo energy commission secretary
but NAPO ye genuine
no Debbie
NAPO ye 3-time member of parliament e wo mention no
e ma referee here me catch so and the plane Joan Kujo papa na on contesting the
Peter
Kwachaka MPP ni meni ni mi
no ye MPP
Debbie
oh no ye MPP
Debbie
and no buy NDC for share munyam
Peter Kwachaka one renounce the MPP party card
wafango
oh bisanso odeko ma hwan
Kwache
constituency executive be na MPP party card bisano
Kwache what team
they say Kwache no ye MPP parliamentary candidates
I ndo be anim
and olusui and oh yes see one time eba NDC pa no be NDC pa no be MP one time e do so obi di na contest wetu no the way obi heavy to say I don't prep
the petite and the
oh
the petite wa pala
yeah my cousin we are chopping crow here
only obi am sign in there
MPP NDC and NDC MPP4 met me actually bibiri one we NDC4 we MPP4 any MPP4 we NDC4 but I mean can't want someone there. Yes, I said electoral commission. Oh. Mami we no Mami Jane A Mensa.
Adukwe Mensa.
Mintimi mweno.
Aba mebo ama adukwe.
No problem. Madam, to be honest with you, it was not something to just mock you. I can't pronounce your middle name. That's me.
Say edin there. Obona oti kura enye ofom so because enye okasa.
What I say? So I was just breaking the syllables.
Yes, adukwe Mensa.
Met me abodi ye, but still I know it was wrong. And you say my shada say no.
The friend Jane adukwe Mensa.
So Jane A Mensa.
Untumi mo adukwe.
Ukra untumi mo say kwai. Wo so
adukwe.
Mensa one or two. 80 and no ano. Hey, Mami we ni aban we had an intention to destabilize Ghana. They wanted to run down this country. Me na me catch it upon court. Hey, easy way or way. Bossman Asare, Jane Mensa, Bossman Asare, Tete, why? Woman na, woman ni aban we to kese. So man we need election we are on best say on mine. Me na me catch now. Upa jidi upa jai no me found. Upa jidi upa jai. He sa woni wukro mo hini sia. na ono ankasa hyese ye modua na omo se okromo hina kotokosua e de snap abonten e di mirike ko wura himfia busense na adan
abo bi akowo
yes eti so omo se okromo hina bu ne mra so a na kire se mra na o hye no ontimi ndi so isi we ni aban we nya ya Kweku esi meja togana bibia ye basa na o man ya sei na o matimi atena so soja ni pani bi wa krom ha wudi A and F ne dikan wa woni mu R twato opani uniform na show no ye tax and ye de to share wo ye careful. I'm telling you her time Sammy Gyamfi Eka Brigadier General Opoku asem wa Asante region.
Yeah, sure.
Me General Opoku minimum pa onye just say obi a minimum keke say ye di agro bi keke no say the tena radio so TV so no. I've known General Opoku before Nana became president.
Satan now order so MPP ni.
I have known General Opoku, Brigadier General Opoku, before Nana became president.
Party member.
And watch this and listen to me carefully. You could brunya, but person me more information in answer could brunya. Or no, any AFFOR. Sandy Pami anyway one. No money I dream power Ghana. I'm telling you.
Opoku.
Yes. Okay. Don't allow a politician to use you as a security officer. Oh. So when you allow yourself to be used by a politician, let's say, one man who can be at that down, even though you are in a uniform. Once a time that Sammy Gyamfi, you were there when I called.
Yeah, sure, yes.
I said, what is Sammy Gyamfi saying? But listen, Ghana for Tróuble Net TV. I want you to take your time. 22nd December. TME.
And then 23rd.
23rd.
Yes, sure.
Abai way. Na onye ready da so be hand over power to your mama. Asana na do kan no mpanifo hia ne dem no mka chensa wo kan kwasi asem gya hinsem ndi. That is why when he came to Obototo, he came to say that nipa bi Ghana for beto abama no obe hand over. It was a lie. I knew that was a lie. But I also told Ghana for to be two abanity. But they never wanted to hand over. When himself Monday, some people were planning a coup d'etat.
Monday,
last week Monday. Yes. Monday, some people were planning a coup d'etat. Okay. When him say, then one share some your friend is saying recoalition. You were there when I placed the call.
Yes, sure.
Someone won't call. When the person here, I am telling you today. The person now me say, na NDC supporters in TSA. So I kept saying, someone tell me here, I can say, oh, woman negotiate. Woman negotiate.
Yeah.
Woman negotiate. Because the information I'm picking from Kumasi, any Bawumia Campaign, it was not good. Me biema no kwa wo. What is am kan sama opa fa opa jai. Eti one plan in na say NDC supporters them must say up our various recoalition centers now. One by dispatching military officers no more shooting through the crowd. It is over here. That man no more recoalition no. That was Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday, yeah, sure.
Friday anajo. Wamu deploy over 1,000 military officers. So I'm going in.
Soldiers for them.
No, Friday anajo. There's no war in Ghana. There's no coup d'etat. Just an ordinary recoalition.
But so just to ensure peace.
Oh,
the
whole elections in Ghana police to me here. So 9 constituencies near this soldier for. And look at this. They carefully selected MPP military men. they wanted to rely on national security for them. Because one someone there, one someone here, because it may be a man big. As some of them, and then some of them will as a Yapon show, you know, you have no idea.
But national security for me, Filimu. Oh, me Filimu pa.
Me, and you my bida. Take for you, mano, my ye bida. And then I make catch on my ye bida.
There be a mekao. Crime near expiry date.
No, take for you, me, my ye bida, my ye bin fear what tree. And to me, share national security not to trouble, no, for 2 abi. O to do ye, none of them, or to what did then Yama can
we share national security no Kwaku Basu Trafa.
Kwaku Basu Trafa, Interior Minister. Oh, my ye bida, fear, para, what tree. The strategy was that Yenjai and Wamunjai NDC supporters no mass up. Our recoalition centers no. It's the NDC supporters now through. You guys didn't know what was happening. Munyabutre. Ye bomonkwa, ye pemonkwa. Echen tumi. Eti je the ukra the winning that board come Abraham ne nyash. They come by and say, sir, supporters them must say up or what? One ma MPP for no coin. Ah, now, we want to be winning, because it's no one winning. It's not true. Hey, Mammy can't require some show. Me, I made Doffo Pa, Minia Bema, me wa Faketwa, Patrick Wama, Oluzui. Patrick Lusu seat, no. But also, Metra can say, I am a ya. Sir Patrick Lucy.
Yeah, sure.
Even John Mahama. And yes, Sir Patrick Lucy. Yeah. This is the kind of heart that Mahama wore. And that's why I love that man. Mahama wa kumebia, media dibia. Hey, the love is still in there. You know what happened? So when we pick the signals, antennas, many JB and now, we were roaming around, hopping from this location to that location because Papa we mantel na me Romano. There's some children.
That day near the bay 349.
Near Nam. Then I picked the signal. Say, hey, some peniphobic per se, we destabilize the country, no. Why? Because encophobia area on my way seeker influencing some military officers. Because when we say I swear Mahama in 7 January, Tróuble about I'm telling you today. And when we jay and ebinum ko bondase akoye plan. I was there watching you guys. You are funny. No more bondase. I was watching you. May have this, I have stress in these guys. What are you people doing? Coup in Ghana, Obwa. And see, if you try, we'll kill all of you. You have found something soldier for. If you try any coup d'etat before 7 January and after 7 January, we'll kill all of you. Because anybody, I'm a gas in Ashisha. We'll kill you and your girlfriends. I'm telling you, I swear, on the last drop of my blood. We'll kill all of you. Say yes, swear Mahama in me donya me try and see. Mahama will be sworn in on the 7th of January. Now also we are soldier near. Go somewhere, plan a coup d'etat. I swear on the last drop of my blood, we will kill you. Madam Catching Mo I am him here, when me diagro. Me say that Ghana for be hu nipa me ye no ho. Na me wu anyane. It's winning. Abraham, they went to Bondasi to plan again. That they will not hand over power. But let me finish the first one. It is like NDC supporters who go and what's our mom penny say declare title a year. Your friend is saying
Patrick Bawumia.
Another prayer.
Yeah.
Because what I'm saying, parliamentary leaders, no, they don't usually lose their seats.
Yeah, sure.
They lose primaries.
Yeah.
So it was a big blow and a disgrace
to another prayer.
And the MPP because when we did the same thing here, Honorable Abraham Osedu, Tamoma Natoshi, 2008 okotu ni ya chairman Samos be kasa de coup d'etat palace school SUMPP eti mo man dwen say NDC enya clear 2/3 majority yet nine ne koka ho a abroso kra ho ne ka ayi
obini wada for obini
ebe ha dwen ti sa na tie de a yantwi break isi mra ne kire say the Osha Abattoir so constituency mu declare results ni wie o declare winner e declare parliamentary candidate one winning winner we are the aka no
that's CI 127
then na isi betran kan aka so obaye no fofo
e bin see that
obaye recollation
e bin see that
so this is what happened it's a NDC supporters na ma say apoko ha nso mo distribute soldier for no hey yeah tese and then you be so soldier ni Net2 su pe the come nipa 2030 say ya say to atomo a president did choice and so declare state
of emergency.
Yes where Mahama in that was the strategy. It's a picky signal happen am say hey we have besen yenko mama ne yeah, boy, and this independent phone be man, they didn't believe us. I'm say okay. Now, wo to car. Small be waterful. Kuma say so on waterful this location. Wo to car. From asimesi a wunim no. Ko this joint e Obema camp. Won su to car. Ko dansoman this joint. Ko hwade. Ko isi. Wo obi o isi a. Mo fi say mo beti agi information fi ho a frɛ no e hwade. No, honey, I'm friend say, Captain, we want to meet you wherever you are. I'm so well, ye do fufu. Fufu net na so sad. Me, I've told you whatever you have to do. Look, I'm telling you today. Saturday no. Maybe the year check me. Na near say we mu no na. They never wanted to hand over power. They wanted to use Saturday. Ye tell me. To kill about 10, 20, 30 people. Pe. No, be a question them. My president, he declared state of emergency. There's a whole state of emergency. President Tebe left his ban. No. And he said, it could do 8 January. I better never show Mahama in. What I say? Huh? Mama, me, the sesame be here for you to become president-elect in my area. More protecting Mahama, no. More in the security for no. I am telling you, watch this. Yawada Ebe, wherever he's going, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, baby, Mahama be Kobiano. So security for the 10, I'm 30. Me, my come as you. Me, I'm telling you. Me catch them. Oh, fine. One fine. This week, we are the whole week, or even between now and 7 December. So, post 4:30, soldier 4:30, the bed the year, money 50-50. Because the last option is to eliminate him. I'll tell you. The last thing is to eliminate him. Or to cause a serious security breach at the camp. Now, I didn't get them. Adia, Nema, Wawa, a plan is a heinous crime way, Esro, a diplomatic corner.
Yeah.
Ambassadors, no, Kwano, Mahama, or one corner now, Hobium. US ambassador call on Mahama Sere. Bomo komo omewie wapam microphone media ni nefrio on Mahama shedem abonkomo. And let me tell you, when people were saying is America supporting Nanado now mo yabestre, the American administration, American government, Joe Biden supported John Mahama. I'm telling you today, Canada, John Mahama, even UK, no one Akufo Addo who he, they supported John Mahama. Eti edu baby a wo mu suro MPP for the year calculation. And we said no, you try international community no ntiase ye, wo mo de external forces beba. Somebody external forces be do krom ha. One make come people in penny for they are all afraid. ade o mede ya Gaddafi no kabi besi Ghana Kadana team Bawumia team NAPO team chairman for team soldier from penifo a omudin senhunu na obi a team they were eliminate all of them so they are afraid now but omo be before heard the black man is the most dangerous homo sapien on earth. If you don't know, I am telling you, the black man is the most dangerous homo sapien on earth. Bibini or ye dangerous chain ni pebia nyame bono. Mame can't have roughness royal. Yen young boy, ye brother, because ye dangerous. What the other two time? I can't just almost call Bondase. And I was watching you guys. You guys are funny. Hey? Hi, Kwaku Annan 79 Ebeka. It's won't tell me here. And this is supporters now. Mon penny for catch up some among calculation center one of some Montiaseno. And yes, Supreme Court at Debia Ho. And yes, some go Supreme Court to you. They are not air banon yet. The air banon. Ye ni a boy woman, every minute. Then yet. It came all of a sudden, Mobian Coalition Center. You think it's an easy thing?
To a point, said that Fiamma Podumu Naka the
we are not going to be part of this. Then they left.
Yes,
you think it's just a joke? It's not a joke. MP say what parliament say only some more fight. Say NDC MPs the boa. Now more approve tax waiver of $350 million. Let me sit here and tell you, MPP, enipa na wamo edge tax waiver, wamo jimu $50 million a chedi. It's enipa ni ma wamo pressure. Say, hey, maji esika na wiye tax waiver ni ma, most mu fear them. That is why MPs no led by Afenyo Markins, women ya bre. Say tax waiver. Watch this. Then tina wo catch them say Abraham anyi nyash. Womu here tax waiver. Obi oton dade iron rods.
Here tax waiver.
Obi oton iron rods so here tax waiver. Opani ya edu din kan ye careful. Ye careful. Krona ye timu ye now. Obi asu ntimi ye hwe. Iron rods ye dig tax waiver. No, we know what turn aboarding at the Amay. Maybe Afenyo Markins is not aware. He's been directed to lead. $50 million from Magia Chedi. A quo. It is a tax waiver and qua. Padino. Aboka. Oba Montembe Bubodi Pepepa. Ora Forbesum. It is Shadio. Ghana for Bosumia Ketuya. You bet you in January, February, March. MPs, they say, approve.
Even the swearing in ceremony, crab budget to crowd. I can't be.
What I said, hey, tell me, Sikana, Yadebe Independence Square. Say Independence Square, says
a hot time, no.
But what you say, Sikana, Yadebe baby, ever swear in John Mahama, ah? What was your approve? Because ye pe say obi akra iron rods ebaga na ba beton etoa egusu no yenyini na mfiri so no ntimi meton engine mfaso wa bra wo kra ambulance na so de be che abanya ye si tua duty as we yi akoche twe hu mienu Ghana for this is the kind of MPP nye MPP ni now this crop this kind of MPP a deadly brigade. Eti sika yedi betua Ghana for adwuma ye for ka January, February, and March. MPs ne say wo mo approve. Say MPP for dwene wo ho no mo say 2028. O ma say baba beju vote. Wallahi la. We'll be in this country. We will see what will happen. Me minim je seat be na MP NDC ageno. Minim seat o melu in 2028. I can mention them now to you and the difference. Maybe your elections come for. Minim seat MPP beje o made back 2028, but still NDC be your majority. Yemfa and that discussion no ye be no 2027 January yemfa no ntonchen say ya me no ka say wo MPP for so omodwene ho ampampa really and our boss market ya January February March omo so omo approve na mom obi okokrand de iron rods ye man tax waiver na wo san kwato na boarding as what we see there them when you are there MPs no edibirika eyo e parliament say NDC MPs na mpene na ya anye sa tax waiver no and you almost want to approve sika ye be say Independence Square ne de ye be so Mahama in dwen what adwe wo MPP for we butim ye ka sam kire Ghana fo a won person betie. I saw this coming and I ran away from that camp. Kwame Nkrumah saw the UP, the things they wanted to do, and he ran away from their camp. Share. It says, any slightest opportunity, they will stabilize this country. But the unfortunate thing is that, for them, they say, senior military officers, more than 60% and supporting women. So they can execute.
Including the CDS.
So they can execute. CDS is in Yanemrason, Yabe Coup Ghana, Coup Kem. CDS, your host is your pompe pra. Hey, Okra, Yamin Shroud. What you said that police officers are involved? There are police officers involved. Once all of a sudden the IGP is quiet, the man is not happy. He doesn't like what is going on. IGP only serious. Ghana I assume you know you want and twaso. And I told you that is why a deputy IGP was appointed for Dampare to use Tete Yohonu for silly political gimmicks. And Tete Yohonu, me I'm telling you, what an amendment in penny for fear say we end this is not true. Have you forgotten before the meeting you held before you were appointed? Me can say Madam Parentina. That is not my case. I am not John Mahama. And I can't go into John Mahama and team no Mama can't shame and fan home. But at your home, you actually relegated the NDC. What do party card the otchere? With the MPP party card, otchere. Dues are what here. So don't come close. Let nobody deceive you. You can pay all the monies in the world. But I am telling you, so I'm going to destabilize the 27 constituencies. The list is there. Last week, Friday, I'm going to fool. I have it. Don't dare ask. Because on my way, no say I don't have anywhere to go. Mini baby ako. Into my way, boss it team. Kwajo me wiem. My brother baby here. Into me penny. Huh? Tete onu, you can stay cool. Shasuna kwa siye umame. What mean the IGP ko siye umame? For deputy IGP siye umame. I'm telling you. Because enema ekos wo suma sese no. Jinyame ne yen. Uboa wo. He? Ne nsam ne ebi wo wa yentimi nka. Ba wo de mame fanto asema bi ani na ma. Let's put it somewhere. Now, isi no wo ho sese no. Electoral Commission adwin papa ni wo mutirim. That day na omo yo press conference na mame na address ya na adwene et shirt so. Me catch us Bossman Asare the way I was atre baby in the shirt no. The man was not happy. Bossman Asare he's a friend. But let me tell you, he's been pushed to the wall. He's got nothing. I can say, okay, baby, I made you Bawumia me minute dodo. Mame nye de open mouth. Ne jam me minimum. Bossman Asare he's a fine man. Left him alone, Adewe na ajo na koko. But the kuta the minimum. Mensa, the kuta the minimum.
But common sense. Just apply common sense. Hey.
Mwankasa Electoral Commission for officials, gazetted officials, and declare yes, coalition. There's a new plan, and yet come with it. So, no. Afeti. Last week, Thursday and Friday, we told you about national security.
Yeah.
What's that, Jamie said?
Yeah. I mean, it's no, but I said, I'm saying, yo. Sure.
Me, tell us, I know. Jamie says, fan says, I'm Elijah. Jamie Elisha. Two shall solo.
Me was a move, I
Sure.
Innocent boy. I mean,
a baby, oh, yes, serious, no. Then me trust national security. There were 5 categories. There were level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Level 1 for the kandapanum ne kwasum ne munum ne one more top honor. They can walk to the office of the president without any invitation. When him says kandapa kwa na the office, the US ambassador or US ambassador BP. Aye.
Yes,
so BP.
Yes.
Because if your national security minister is looking for you and it's urgent, the US, all the ambassadors
they don't mean anything. They don't mean anything.
They should get the hell out of the office of the president for Kandapa to enter. That is how powerful Kandapa and Kweku Asumeni omoye. That's how powerful they are. So when you see a national security minister, a national security coordinator, chief, they are very, very powerful. Now about senior police, senior military, senior fire service, security agencies, senior officers now. Come saying attaché to national security now. Woman are level 2. They are also very, very powerful. Second, the power president office on money briefing. That's a senior military officer, senior police officer attached to the national security. If there's a boss, there's an emergency, can the public president office. That is how powerful they are too. That's level 2. Then you come to level 3. Our known, paid, regularized national security operatives. Level 3. No, what level? Hey, Mr. I'm checking some baby.
Yabutre. Yako level 5. I want them na sebo.
No, what level 4?
That be you jump from level 4. Yako level 5. I want them sebo.
Yeah. Level 4.
Captain Smart.
We were at 4. Yeah, dangerous.
I feel call out you.
Level 4 no. Don't try. When they who say we are MP. We can orchestrate for you to lose your seat. You will never have an idea. We want to lose support. And the appear could be a certain member of parliament who Asante region. And losing the seat. Level 4 national security operatives. You remember when you lose seat? Level 4 for the day. Yeah, the most dangerous species. Our national security circles. Because the who ni nano. Can the pound come baby uncle tutu? When you uncle tutu?
You waiting for winning and some Captain Smart Eddie Atuja wa Bro and Sembibre so I don't know watch the say your Monday travel nanka soja for people say one you cool and capture day and some yina Atuja. Because so when you subscribe to channel area Bomodia say over subscribe so had later and hot news and kwa enamede bro. I feel we are not like a video and give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wa so na when you be here now and somewhere koso Ghana memoir. Also betimi atchere wadwen afaye and somewhere nyina ho comment box ni mu mbati minkabiyo in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.